Hello everybody. Thank you for being here with us today. I am Sridhar Kunte, Deputy Editor Technical for Better Photography. And please welcome Mr. Madhavan Pillai, Chief Editor of Better Photography, and Badri Narayan, National Sales Head of Better Photography. We are here to celebrate the TIPA World Awards 2021 winners in a special certification ceremony for the Indian counterparts of the international brands. And we are here today to honor none other than Tamron. Over to you, Madhavan.
Thank you, Sridhar. The TIPA Awards is the most recognized awards in the world for photographic products. Better Photography is the only member magazine from South Asia among 26 other magazines worldwide. Joining us here today from Tamron is Mr. Nitin Goyal, President and CEO of Tamron India Private Limited, and Mr. Saurav Kumar Das, Deputy Manager, Marketing Department of Tamron.
Hello. Welcome, Nitin sir. Welcome, Saurav.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to our felicitation ceremony.
Thank you, gentlemen. Tamron joining this occasion. Tamron is one of the largest third-party lens manufacturers, makes lens to fulfill the need of the photographer in every category. Started in 1950 in Urawa city by Mr. Fujio Watanabe and Mr. Tayuki Arai. To start with, Tamron produced cameras and binocular lenses. Special year for this year is for Tamron. Tamron is celebrating their 70th year in the business. This is a very significant category won by Tamron for the world best products are. The first lens in this category is best standard zoom lens. Tamron, the award goes to Tamron 1770 f2.8 Di3A VC RXD model B070. Spanning the versatile zoom range and characteristic by its bright design, Tamron 1770 f2.8 lens has an equivalent focal length of 25.5 to 105 millimeter equivalent when compared to APS-C format E-mount Sony mirrorless camera. The wide to short telephoto range is ideal for everyday shooting, and the fast f2.8 constant maximum aperture suits working in difficult lighting conditions and offer improved control over the depth of field. Congratulations, Tamron, for this award. The second award in the category of best telephoto zoom lenses is for Tamron 70-180 f2.8 Di Mark III VXD model A056. This is a flexible zoom range and has a fast aperture of 2.8, and it consists of a very compact size. The Tamron 70-180 is a unique take on the ambiguous and a popular zoom telephoto zoom. Designed for multi-frame Sony E-mount cameras, this lens spans a useful short to telephoto and mid telephoto range and is characterized by its f2.8 maximum aperture to suit working in a available light and in difficult lighting conditions. I congratulate Tamron for these awards, and also a big congratulations and thank you to all the engineers and the researchers behind the scene who developed these brilliant lenses. Over to you, Madhavan.
A hearty congratulations to you and to the entire Tamron team. These two categories in particular, I must say, the best standard zoom and the best telephoto zoom, well, these are quintessential for professional photographers, and Tamron now certifiably makes the best lenses in these categories in the world. So thank you so much. Mr. Goyal, would you like to say a few words on the occasion?
First of all, thanks to the whole jury for giving us this prestigious award. We are really overwhelmed, and I feel these two awards actually makes us more confident to go to the market, especially when you see these days Sony is one of the prominent player in the market, and two categories where we have won this award. One is the standard zoom lens for APS-C cameras and telephoto zoom lenses. These are the two categories where each and every photographer, it's a must-have lens. So I again thank, first of all, the whole TIPA jury, and I'm really very much overwhelmed when I get this award through one of our Indian partner, which is Better Photography, who have highest of standards in checking and maintaining. So I must thank each and everybody from your jury members as well.
Thank you, gentlemen,
Thank
for
you.
joining us here today. As always, it's been a pleasure. And once again, very, very well deserved win indeed. Thank you all for being with us, and thank you to the audience for watching this event. Thank you.
Many congratulations,
Thanks a lot.
Nitin sir,
Thank
as well
you.
as Saurabh,
Thank
and
you.
entire team of
Congratulations.
Tamron.
Thank you.